Still thinking AI is only for tech geniuses? Plot twist. You can learn it too. Here's how to actually start learning AI without stress. Generative AI Foundations. What even is AI? Explained simply. Responsible AI. Learn how not to let AI embarrass you at work. AI-powered communication. Make AI help you sound smarter. AI Creative Studio. Turn ideas into images, audio, and videos like magic. Projects plus quizzes plus certificates. So it's not just theory. No coding background needed. Just curiosity. And maybe snacks. Start today, before your friend becomes an AI expert and starts charging you for help. Enroll now at academy.codevpay.com. CodeDevPay Academy. Learn, build, earn.